Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up multiple accounts in a database by loading two statements from different brokerage firms. One is the Thinkorswim and the other one is tastytrade. TradingDiary Pro is already opened with an empty database. By default an account is added to the software called primary. So let me change the name it to Thinkorswim. Let's load some transactions. Load the statement. You can see the transactions has been added. Opening the positions view. Okay, we can see the positions. Let me add the account column. I'm clicking on the column chooser and moving the account ID. So we can see here is the Thinkorswim. Let's add another account. Click on the account, manage menu, click on the create. Let's call it tastytrade. Close. By clicking on the import menu, you can see that the import menu has been changed, and the top menu is the name of the accounts, and each account has a sub-menu with the import and select import module menus. So let's click on the tastytrade and the import menu. Select the Tastyworks. Load the statement. As you can see, a bunch of new positions has been added. So let's order the positions by the account. So you can see here the Thinkorswim positions, and these are the tastytrade positions. When a new account is created, a new filter will be added as well. So you can filter easily your trades by account by clicking on the filter menu, and let me select the Thinkorswim. So you can see the few Thinkorswim positions, and if I select the tastytrade, then I can see the tracy trades only, and by clicking on the all, we can see again all of the positions, Thinkorswim and tastytrade. This is the same for the reports as well. So let me open the P&L cumulative report. Here is the cumulative report of both accounts. If I would like to see the cumulative P&L of the tastytrade account only, just selecting the tastytrade. If I would like to see the Thinkorswim, select the Thinkorswim, and I can see the all once again. Thanks for watching.